Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited to share my thoughts on the GOOGOOHAIR clip-in extensions. So GOOGOOHAIR clip-in extensions reached out to me recently and were kind enough to send me their double drawn clip-in extensions. These extensions are 160 grams and they are Indie shade bleach blonde balayage. So the color number is 3-8-613. So double drawn hair means that all the hair strands are about the same length, and when you're getting a double drawn hair, that basically means that you are getting a hair which is solid from base to ends. And compared to a classical set of hair extensions, their double drawn clip-ins are fuller, they're softer, and they last longer. So I highly recommend double drawn clip-in extensions. They're made from high quality Remy human hair and they come in a variety of shades and lengths, so I will leave their website for you guys to check them out. Okay, so as someone who's always on the hunt for super affordable yet high quality hair extensions, I could not wait to put these extensions to the test. So let's dive right in. So one thing that really impressed me about GOOGOOHAIR extensions after looking to their website was the extensive variety of shades that they offer. So there is a perfect match for every hair color, so make sure to check that website. And if you are unsure about which shade to choose, GOOGOOHAIR extensions even offers a color matching service where you can send them a photo and they will ensure a seamless blend. Okay, so first things first, let's talk about packaging. So GOOGOOHAIR extensions will come in this gorgeous box, and let's see what's inside. So in the package, you'll find the hair extensions along with a set of instructions for application and care, an alligator clip, and this gorgeous scrunchie. And they've also sent me some extra clips. And I love it when a company pays attention to these little details. So the reason that I love wearing hair extensions is because they gave me so much volume to work with and they make my hair super long in a matter of seconds. So these hair extensions are from real human hair and you can do anything you would with your own natural hair. So you can curl them, you can straighten them, you can braid them. And using hair extensions makes me feel amazing, so I can change my hairstyle whenever I want. Another thing that is great about hair extensions and why I love them so much is I can achieve the hair color that I've always wanted. I can add highlights to my hair in a matter of seconds without even damaging my own hair. So you don't have to use bleach, you can just order your hair extensions with some highlights in them and they will match perfectly with your own hair. Okay, now on to the application process. So I wanted to try the clip-in extensions as they are my go-to for quick and easy transformations. I love the shade that they send me and I'm confident that it will blend perfectly with my hair color. So this set has 10 pieces inside and you will receive one piece that is 8 inches long with 4 clips, one piece that is 7 inches long with 4 clips, 2 pieces that are 6 inches long with 3 clips, I think, 2 pieces that are 4 inches long with 2 clips each, and 4 small pieces that are 1.5 inches long with 1 clip each. I think that was it. You have to check that website. So now let me show you how I install my hair extensions. So let me show you how I personally do it, how I install my hair extensions. And because my hair is super thin, if I get my hair to the side, this is the ponytail that I end up with. And if your hair is thicker and especially if you have that blunt cut, I would highly recommend that you divide your hair into 2 sections and then rub and pin the bottom section to lay flat against the head and then start clipping in the hair extensions. But since my hair is pretty thin, I will start applying the hair extensions right away. Okay, so talking about a perfect match, so they did an amazing job matching my hair color, natural hair color, with these extensions. So if you're unsure about which shade to choose, just go to the website, upload a photo from your natural hair color, and they will nail it. They will send you the perfect match for your hair color. So there you have it. It's pretty easy to install these hair extensions, and let me tell you that these hair extensions did not disappoint. So the clips are really sturdy yet gentle on my hair, and that ensure a secure hold throughout the day without any discomfort. Plus, the extension wefts are perfectly sized to ensure a better blend with my natural hair. In conclusion, I have to say that GOOGOOHAIR hair extensions have exceeded my expectations in every way, from their packaging to their seamless application, and they've quickly become a #1 hair extension brand for me. And if you're looking to elevate your hair game, I highly recommend that brand. I highly recommend giving these hair extensions a try, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. Like I said, these are Remy human hair. They are so soft and silky. They blend seamlessly with your own natural hair, and you can curl them, you can style them as you would your own natural hair. Oh, and before I forget, my amazing subscribers get an exclusive discount on the GOOGOO clip-in extensions. So just use the coupon code another25 at checkout to save on your next purchase. I will make sure to leave everything in the description box down below. And that wraps up today's video. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this review. And let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. I'll see you in my next video.